another buddy approved video. Alright, gonna get started on this. Figure out a way to hang my light here. Boy, that's a mess. That is so much worse than what I thought it was gonna be. Like I said, I may be buying a trunk lid, or I may just try to fabricate it. What do I got to lose? I don't have to make it exact. In fact, I won't, because this one rusted out. Got a little dent right there. But it's time to get the shop vac out. See what all's what here. Here's a handful of garbage. Gotta find a trash can. I'm gonna be setting you guys up on a tripod once I find it. Can you see that? Can you read it? That is, all these projects of mine are starting to make me feel like this is my motto. Every great idea I have gets me in trouble. And here's some more stuff I found in the trunk. There's the generator I gotta tear down and put back together. See if I can make it work. There's some of the stuff I've been taking out so far. Not that. That's a collection of parts that I take out of other things. I've got enough projects. I should have parts laying around. Oh, there's my tripod. I really got to get it. Okay, that shut off. The battery is dead. Well, that's the way it goes, right? Okay, as I was saying, or I might have said, I'm not real sure if it recorded or not, I really need to get a tripod with a boom. I'm just looking at things here that you can't see, but I can. Like the gap in there. Maybe the back end's been hit. There goes my dog. Want to see the inside of a gas tank? There you go. Not a very good view, but hey, I didn't promise a good view. I seriously doubt that you'll hear anything once I turn on the shop vac. I'm just trying to pick up the really large stuff. That used to be a floor mat. I can remember riding in this car when I was a kid. And Mom using the old right-hand seat belt when something would happen. Somebody pull out in front of her or something. That right hand would swing out and slap your ass right back into the seat. Because, well, there's them. Nobody wore a seatbelt. They were in the cars, but we didn't wear them. I mean, what would be the use in that? Alright, well, I think I've got all the major big stuff out. So, oh, there's a can up there. Interesting. How did he get in behind the seat? Oh well. Alright, as I said, I'm going to set this up on a tripod, and you guys probably aren't going to see that much. You just get to watch me vacuuming out the mess. I'll bring you back once I start. Okay, sorry for the lighting. I have a big shop vac, but this is one of those shop vacs where somebody gives it to you because they know it's crap, but you don't know it's crap, so you take it, and then you find out it's crap. It's got a tiny filter, and it just plugs up really quick, and it's just basically junk. Now, if I can just do this buddy approved video without him coming in here and snagging the tripod and creating problems. So, either way, I'm going to be using my small shop vac, which is right there, to clean up this mess. I guess it'd work better if I just loosen that up. Duh. Sometime I'm going to buy a boom to either put onto that tripod or another tripod. I've got a tripod from a telescope I picked up. It's heavy. I don't have to worry about it getting bumped and tipped over and stuff. Okay, here I go trying to find a place to put things. Alright, this is where I probably dub in some music, and y'all just have to tolerate. It's full. Give me just a quick second here. Okay. Unfortunately, that is not supposed to be open. This. That is the rear subframe and is totally rotted out. So I will have to rebuild the rear subframe on this side, on top of rebuilding back down there, and all this floor, finding a new gas tank. That yellow wire there is for the gas tank. I'm getting my cord hung up on things. This should be the wiring for the tail lights. Yep, sure is. Something just fell out from underneath. Oh, a washer. You can always use those. That is most likely from the trunk latch. So here's what we got. I'll have to come on and dig this stuff out with a screwdriver. Reforming this is going to be my biggest problem. And then redoing that. The floors, I'm not that concerned about. They're, I would say easy peasy, but yeah. That's an understatement. Nothing is easy peasy. Unless you're half-ass customs or DD Speed Shop. Those guys seem to be able to throw a car together in a week. This will probably drag out for a few years. I'll be lucky if I can find a gas tank to fit this thing. I've already looked and I cannot find one for a Caliente. Falcons? Yes. Comet Caliente? No. So that's where we're at. I'm going to go up. I can't see what I'm doing here, so I don't know if I'll be in frame or not. I want to thank Mano again for the hat. Thank you. He didn't have to send it to me, especially from the UK. But I've been following his channel, Rusty Love, since it first started. And it wasn't called Rusty Love then. So we've created a nice little friendship. So when he started getting merch, yeah, he sent me a hat. And I deeply appreciate it. Especially since he didn't have to, and he did it on his dime. That don't happen to me that often. And I hope I came out in frame. So, that's where I'm at. The trunk is, well, I would say cleaned out. I'm going to have to do a little more. I'm not going to bore you guys with any more of this stuff. I will set the camera up again when I start pulling the seats out and trying to decide what I'm going to do with that. Sad part is, God, if I'd only started this 20 years ago, 20 or 30 years ago, I probably would have been able to find a seat and a gas tank and all that stuff from out of a salvage yard, because there were still cars like this in them. But there ain't now. And again, original color. I don't know if, I've been told it's baby blue, but I'm not sure. Looks more of a, I'm colorblind, so just forget what I think. As long as it's not silver, I'm okay. I already got a couple of silver vehicles, about 3 of them on different shades. Alright, that's it. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a dozen. Come over to my Facebook webpage, Ken Stuff. But I'm actually amazed. That's not all rusted out up there. I lucked out on that. I'll be cleaning this up a lot better with a wire brush and stuff. There's a little piece of string in there. And I bet that bolt is off of an old trailer hitch that used to be on this car. Many years ago. The old style that bolted to the floor and to the bumper, and well, I guess they lucked out and they didn't bolt it to the gas tank, but boy, they got awful close. Thinking it was a trunk floor. And that's how much we pulled up off the floor. That's a half a bucket, and it's almost all rust. Just letting you know. Alright, have a good one. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Make the world a nicer place. Bye.